Hello everyone. Now I am presenting here the nomenclature of atropisomers. So atropisomers are nothing but those organic compound not having a chiral center. Still these are optically active because of it contains pivotal bond. If the examples are biphenyl compounds, for optical activity it is necessary to have the chiral center, and these are non-superimposable mirror images. But biphenyl compounds, allenes, pyranes and hemispyranes, these compounds, if it is presence of bulkier groups as on the ortho substituent, then the compound become a chiral. In the crystal form, these compounds are same plane, in the form of same plane, but in the solution and vapor phase, these two phenyl rings are twisted with respect to each other by 45 degree. And examples of allenes and pyranes and hemispyranes, like these are the allenes, this is spyranes, then hemispyranes, and these are the biphenyl. When ortho bulkier substituents on the biphenyl, these bulkier groups, these biphenyls are chiral in nature. Still these are not having any type of chiral center. If the groups, this is also a chiral one, this is also chiral, this one is also chiral, because examples of atropisomers. In this presentation, I will only focus on this presentation of how to assign the configuration of this horizontal and vertical biphenyl ring systems with orthobulkier substituents. There are two ways to assign this molecule from left hand side and right hand side. First, we view this molecule from the left hand side. So first rule is that assign the priorities nearest group from this viewer. So first, these are the two hydroxy and CH3, these two are the nearest groups. So first priority goes to hydroxy and second priority goes to this methyl group, and the far away third group is this COH, and the hydrogen is the fourth one, like this. When we view from this left hand side, this wedge and dotted line, this is considered as a wedge, and this opposite is considered as a dotted, should be on the horizontal line. If the molecule is horizontal, so wedge and dotted groups are written on this horizontal line only. When we view this, next rule is from the left hand side, the fourth means this wedge line group should be on the right hand side and dotted should be on the left hand side, like this. This third number is on the left hand side and this fourth number is on the right hand side, and this first is upper and the second one is the lower one. And then as per this 1 2 3 4, that right hand side clockwise or anti-clockwise, as we all are aware with this 1 2 3, like 1 2 3, it is rotates like right hand side. This is called as the R configuration. In this case, this lowest priority group is on the horizontal line, it should be reversible configuration. This rule is not considered for this atropisomers. Second way to assign this is from the right hand side. So right hand side, the nearest group should be assigned first, second, then third, then fourth, like this. So always these molecules are on the horizontal line, but in case of this wedge should be on left hand side, because we view this molecule from the left hand side. So second number is on the left hand side, first number is on the right hand side, and like this 3 is on the upper and fourth one is on the lower side. So this is the right hand side vision is from the right hand side. So like this we assign the molecule from this. So dotted line should be on the right hand side and wedge line should be on the left hand side. So it should be considered like 1 2 3 how we can, this is 1 2 3, again what it is, R configuration. So by assigning the configuration from both the side, the answer should be same. There are some rules, like first, I repeat again, assign the priority first to the nearest group. I repeat again, assign the priority first to the nearest group, like this, from this side nearest group, like 1 and 2, and move far away as the manner 3 and 4, like 3, like this, 4, isn't it? Then group from the wedge are written on the horizontal line. This wedge is on the horizontal line. Solid to right side and dotted should be a left side. This dotted should be left hand side and this should be a right hand side. From this view, from the, we can view this molecule from left side. Group from the plane should put it on vertical line. These are on the vertical line. And nearest group line drawn dark, again write down the priorities. This nearest group should be, nearest group line drawn dark. Nearest groups are what? Nearest groups are this 1 and 2, these are the nearest group. So this is should be dark line, and this 3 or 4 are wedge and dotted. So dotted should be on left hand side and it should be on right hand side. And then assign the configuration. This is 1 2 3, like this. So this is what R configuration. Again we assign the molecule from right hand side. So first priority goes to this, second priority goes to this, third number, and this one is the fourth number. So these are the nearest group, or these are the wedge and dotted, so it should be on what? Horizontal, and this line should be a dark, like this. And vertical line should be, put it on vertical, 3 and 4. So only the last rule is changed, that solid line is on the left side. Solid means this solid on the left side, this is the left side, and this one is dotted line should be on the right hand side. And again this is what 1 2 3, it is what R configuration. So when we view this molecule from both the side, the answer should be a same, that is R configuration. This molecule have R configuration. When the molecule is vertical biphenyl substituted with orthobulkyl group, there are two sides, that is upper side and lower side. When we view this from the upper side, so first priority goes to this bromine, second priority goes to this, third priority, and fourth priority. Always if the molecule is horizontal, so wedge and dotted groups is on the horizontal line only, and the wedge, if it is from the, don't rotate the molecule, directly view this molecule from the upper side and the lower side. It's from the upper side, so first priority, and the second means the lowest priority group is on the, or dotted should be upper and wedge should be a lower one, should be lower, and this 3 and 4 are written as on the horizontal line, and this is shown as a dark because we view from the upper side. And then assign the priority like 1 2 3, like this. It is what S configuration, is S configuration from this upper side. When we view from this from lower side, so first priority goes to this hydroxy, second priority goes to this methyl, third priority goes to this, and fourth priority on this side. This molecule is a vertical molecule, so these groups are again on the vertical. but the rule is changed. This wage is on the upper side and this dotted is on the lower side, and these two are in the horizontal line, written as it is like this. So again 1 2 3 4, it is what? S configuration. So when we view from this molecule from both the sides, it should be a same type of configuration, like it is a S configuration. This is regarding RNS configuration of biphenyls at the horizontal molecule and vertical molecule. Assign the configuration of the following. This is for your practice purpose. Same when we view this from right hand side, this is the right hand side, this is the left hand side, the first priority. So these are on the horizontal like this. Okay, thank you.